Yeah, on that one, it's said, I think, for football, but I have to be very honest with you guys. As much as we want to compete in the African Champions League, we are still lagging behind. If you look at Morocco, is it Morocco, Tunisia? Morocco. If you look at their performance at the World Cup, and if you look at where we are as a nation in terms of football, it's too far away. That's what happened with the national team. It shows, it can give a clear picture of what their clubs are doing. So if you compare with us, of course, we would love to go there, compete with the African Safari, but does it make sense for us to go there and get Hamad 6? Go there and get Hamad 5? Then what do people say? We are not yet ready. We have to start from somewhere. We have to start from somewhere and go step by step up the ladder. In football, it's like a graph. If you start from 0, you go to stage 10, stage 20, 40, going up. So we don't want to go there when I still believe, when I still feel we are not there. What's the purpose of going there to compete? Yeah. We might talk of getting experience, but do you think you can get much needed experience when you go there and get Hamad 10? Psychologically, we get affected. I think there will be time, where I'll feel like, no, look, we have got a squad. But the squad we had, I think in 2018, if the squad was still here, of course some of the guys would be aging, but if the squad was still